Yeah, so like I said, on this project, we actually pulled out a bunch of old fixtures. They're actually really good quality fixtures. The only problem, and not that it's a problem, but these were probably installed 20 years ago, and they're all halogen fixtures. I would say if you're installing a new landscape lighting system, don't even consider halogen. It's just going to make it a lot more difficult to design and plan your system, because you got to be a lot more careful with things like voltage drop and stuff. And if there's if you're looking at getting a system installed and there's somebody out there who's still quoting you on a halogen system, the only reason they're doing it is they're just trying to make a sale, because halogen fixtures are cheaper than LED. Just like when you go buy a halogen bulb as opposed to an LED bulb for your home, the LED costs more, but you save more in power long term. You don't have to change bulbs all the time. And with a low voltage landscape lighting system, it just makes it a lot more attainable for the do-it-yourselfer to be able to go put in a system, because you don't have to worry about all those old videos on landscape lighting that are online that talk about voltage drop and hub and spoke and all that kind of stuff. Not that it's that important or not important. It's just, it's not as relevant as it used to be with halogen systems if you're using an LED system. So anyway, good fixtures, they're halogen. We're replacing them all with LED, but the thing that I want to really point out is the connections. So you know, you see these a lot at your big box stores. It's basically there's many different kinds, but all it is it's like a clamp-on device that basically you stick your wires into, and it just pierces into the wires. And the problem with that is anytime you start poking holes into your wire and it's buried underground where the soil is moist and you get rain and all this kind of stuff, when you pierce a wire like that and it's got to sit in the ground in all the moisture, I mean, what do you think is going to happen to that wire and that connection? Is over time it's just going to corrode and that light is going to stop working. So you know, that's one example. If you see those, don't bother. The other thing I see a lot of, and you see it here as well, but they used just regular Morettes, which there's no gel, there's nothing waterproof about these at all. So I mean, how much dirt and water do you think is getting into these? And I guarantee you that these lights are not going to work long if you just do something like that. That's why we always use, you know, good waterproof connectors, because it's going to make sure that whatever's in the ground is going to stay working in the ground for as long as you have your system. And I'll show you guys more about those connectors a little bit later and answer some questions about that.